sentence for 21 years. Well, that's a different thing. Anyways, sir, Sibkatullah Qadri, thank you very much for talking to me. And John Bellinger, thank you very much for joining me today. And I really appreciate your advices over here. And I'll conclude my show over here. Professor Shamim Akhtar Saab will conclude it, and we'll go for the conclusion over here. Thank you very much, both of you, for joining me. जी शमीम साहब, आप कैसे conclude करेंगे इसको?
Well, my point of view was that if it were a normal, simple case of a diplomat being involved in a murder charge, well, under Article 29, Vienna Convention 1961, he would be completely immune from the jurisdiction of any criminal charge. There's no question about it. But now this is a case of a very special nature. The identity of the accused is doubtful. The versions from the State Department and also the embassy and consulates are conflicting. Therefore, and since the matter is within the jurisdiction of the High Court, which is seized of this issue, therefore, it is the function, the responsibility of the High Court to determine after mature deliberation, as it would, whether or not the accused was a diplomat. Well, if the High Court comes to the conclusion that he was a diplomat, well then there's no doubt about it that the High Court would administer justice according to the law. For that we should trust the High Court for its jurisdiction, and I certainly do not believe in what John had said, that the High Court of Pakistan has no jurisdiction. This is totally unacceptable. Am I to understand then that it's not the High Court of Lahore which has the jurisdiction, but the Supreme Court of the United States has jurisdiction over Pakistan, or the State Department has jurisdiction over Pakistan? We should uphold the decisions of the High Court and trust its judgment.
I'm running out of time over here. Professor Shamim Akhtar, thank you very much for joining me today. थोड़ी सी पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है जी दोनों साइडों पे, चाहे वो वाशिंगटन डीसी हो, चाहे वो इस्लामाबाद हो, चाहे वो पंजाब हो. पॉलिटिक्स दोनों एंड पे चल रही है. अमेरिका में भी पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है, वहाँ पे डेमोक्रेट्स और रिपब्लिकन्स आपस में पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं जी. इसी केस में, रेमंड डेविस के केस में, वाशिंगटन में भी पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है अमंग्स द रिपब्लिकन्स एंड द डेमोक्रेट्स, और पाकिस्तान में भी पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है इसी केस में बिटवीन इस्लामाबाद एंड पंजाब. क्या होता है आने वाले वक्त में जी, वो आने वाला वक्त ही बताएगा. लेकिन फिलहाल हाई कोर्ट ने जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस जारी की हैं वो ये है कि सेंटर जो है वो बताए कि जनाब रेमंड डेविस या वट एवर हिज नेम इज, अमेरिकन नेशनल जो ये हैं जी, इनका स्टेटस क्या है, क्या ये डिप्लोमेट है या नहीं है, उससे आगे फिर बात पड़ेगी. राना मुबशिर को इजाज़त दीजिए जी. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.